What was it about Buju's energy for you to see that, listen, this man is going to be a problem?
When knew about him, because I used named Stumpy, you know, engineer Stumpy. Stumpy come from Portmore, so he never sang named Stamina that day. Mash up the whole of Portmore. Because I know at them time they have day in the ear for ear go on, and like a man go like so one. And
This area, artists had area soul.
Yeah, so what is Stumpy song name again? Damn.
Stumpy had a song?
The song when we used to play over Portmore, man. You'd have what the song was
I did not know Stumpy used to play song before.
Yeah, man, he used to play a song before. I think the one name is a White. I know my memory is fuzzy right now, but Stumpy always I tell me. So know of him. So one evening now, I go check Winston Riley. It was a Friday evening, I go check Winston Riley. You know, Frankie's like I go check Winston Riley down at Chance Lane. So me I tell Winston Riley some for come for some royalty. Cause you know me and Nardo they have the song. Oh, wait, me and Chilla you they have a song. You know, some a piece of paper the Friday evening. Cause him tell me to come check in. So say Buju lean up and him overheard me I tell Mr. Riley say we are gonna dance at Clarendon with Richie D when me and Apache scratch it upon. So I'm just jumping and say, I can't go. I wouldn't know of him already, so I never really take line like 7 or say can pick him up and carry him on him now. You know, him a par and a star, cause him have a more. You know what I mean? Cause them time you have a DJ for the people, man. When I sell down in the middle of the song, you get all the forward. No? Yeah,
when you go,
yeah, man. You hear Papa San them and sort of nature them a DJ. All down in the middle of the song, they get the biggest forward. You know what I mean? So I know same could do it. So pick up Sly and Sheffield over the night now, and I go head out from head town out for head. And Sly I said, no, I remember I say, I'm good all the wait, man, that now gonna look good. I Sly, you know, I never Sly. So I Sly basically change the course.
Everything.
I'm gonna like sub up and shot up Park and pick him up. There's a 2-door Poogle, so Sly in at the front, him in the back now. No, can't smoke in the vehicle. That was the road.
Okay.
Can't smoke in the Poogle. Poogle always have to smell nice.
Clean.
Yeah. Go Clarendon now. So fun that now. Call up DJ. Man, mash up the place. See, them time I sing a song say, don't lose your way with it. And the Punani. And them song that I sing them time there. And the man come on just, when we are run out, when we leave the venue the night, up there people like the whole venue are run behind the car, bro.
God.
See? Yeah, the whole venue. I say, yo, singer, carry back, you know. See, the whole venue are run behind the car. And that's how the movement start from. Like, through me have the ride now. Like, you know, every morning, I may do the pickup. I pick up Frankie Sly at Sheffield Road. Pick up Sebastian and Lawrence Sabine. And pick up Gargo at Park Lane. And that was like a routine. Every day until, you know, the movement start. You know, and it's take on the street. If I got Bobby, you know, me had the voice when I'm with him, my voice, I listen to shape of it, record. So we start, you know, 1 for 1 and knock, you know, knock out the thing them around the place and start with the dub combination, them and, you know, make sure me that they get a portion of a dub still, you know, them time there.
So they have more than just the one that they always play the same one, Stone Up.
With Stone Up Anthem, Forever Young? Who have that?
Metro Media, they have that, and they have a portion of combination with you and Buju?
Yeah, man, enough to
again,
one.
You know what? No. That's originally your songs.
Yeah, man, and that's all like, me bringing me in for say, all right, boom, because Jimmy Metro give you a piece of paper, and we about it still, but, and like, you know, the regular, like the foreign sound, them are coming in, and my sound, that's so, you know, you know, so, but then now, it's so, that Rory come check we now. Like Rory always come at church, Kirk come check me on Fretty from ever since. You know what I mean? And that link they start make now, so we basically a farmer alliance with Stone Love too. Even though we are Metro Media. But you know, and then now Metro Media and Stone Love always play a Chelsea on the New Year's, whatever. Was a nice spot that too. Metro Media and Stone Love, they always have an end of year dance. It was a big vibe too. You know what I mean? And the relationship with Stone Love just, you know, just grow and we end up doing the classic, and you know, we'll have a portion I think on Stone Love too, and you know, Stone Love style. Just take on the world where so amazing. A dub what you do can be in your set. Even when me I sing it, people are look forward for you hear it. The dub way, yeah. You know what I mean?
That's
And
crazy.
remember I do live and learn from the action rhythm with Louis, you know. But at the Stone Love dub basically overshadowed. You know what I mean? So people and start cut the Wayne Wonde and the Buju dub instead. You know, and you know, not for the time I say, you know, but I'm here, Louis the dub. But I say no, but that'll be because them hear the Stone Love 1 ton and 10. You know what I mean? So that a 2 song where actually has a dubplate where in your set. Because when I say, "It's a story about life," everybody, yeah, people might say, "Booty boy, boy, boy." And I saw the original song go. See that when you hear that the dub version. So I said, you know, powerful. So when I even fight it, we just make it flow, you know.
Another classic dub, we're talking about dubs now, was the one you did from Bass Attitude. You and Bush, the one you guys did for Bass Attitude. Listen, you see that dub there now?
Yeah, Squinch and do that, you know. Yeah, man.
They used to go everywhere.
Everywhere. True, man.
Hear people with that.
True, man.
Everybody's calling your name.
Yeah,
boss.
man. Yeah, man. Gunshot fire, man. No gunshot, now fire, now. Gunshot clip them right empty, man.
Listen,
On them thing there.
do you remember actually voicing that, or you've done so much so it's not really 100%?
We know say Father Keith always come check up on a Thursday when he want to feel anything there. So we look forward when Father Keith come check up on a Thursday. We say, yes, Father Keith, I come with a floor about Friday, cause you know what I'm saying? Say Thursday, what Ben Johnson did. So if you not get your act together from Thursday evening, or going on Friday, maybe Friday, be small. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So we always I laugh. I say, watch, you know, Father Keith come nice up the thing, you know what I mean? So I remember him coming on a Thursday, always a Thursday him coming to the city from country. And we knock out them thing there. See, man. Yeah, man. Always I look forward. Yeah, man.
And this is the song, remember, this is no tone, that's Metro Media Stone, but the country representative,
Yeah.
PS Odyssey, especially.
Yeah, and then we have pieces. I'm gonna be too.
Yeah, of course. With
We have
the same
pieces. I'm
Bada
gonna be
General
too.
that
With Bada
was
Scene.
Friday before.
Yeah,
yes,
yeah, man. So pieces are cut. So we have a foothold down in the mobile too, you know. Definitely.
So that time there, it was like, that was the most requested combination at that time there was you and Buju. These are the songs that the sounds wanted at that time there.
Yeah, man. It just a matter of fact, it just like any combination. Cause some of them we just make them up on spot too. You know, some of them, cause like you said, the Stone Love dub when I sing anniversary. That dub wasn't supposed to go like that, you know. Guess what happened with that dub, you know? My little daughter was at the nursery. Seeing? Cause them time they were on daddy duty, you know. And Frankie Sly in the background, I say, a time for go for the baby. See? So I suck on Buju overheard him say that. So by the time we swing the earphone, so when me I hear, do you know what today is? Stone Love anniversary. See? And then him take the earphone and come in and say, I say only, it's an anniversary. I'm gonna pick up the little baby from nursery. I just freestyle out for the dog. So sometimes dub is like that too. In a planet. And it was. Remember one time when I do a dub and DJ I drink a Guinness. So you know sometimes when they drink Guinness a belch. So when people come in almost the belch come up. See it so him come over and was like, get off my chest. Remember that sound boy, you know, contest, I'm here freestyle.
But that's when you know the energy is flowing, boss. And remember, these dubs aren't cut into like
Straight to plate.
Straight to plate. So
Can't make a mistake. Can't make any mistake. The vacuum turn on, your vacuum I cut the turn on already.
Time to
Yeah,
go.
so you can't make a mistake. You know what I mean? You have a sharp. So yeah, we have more time. Some of the dubs them come out like that to like freestyle off of doing 1 in a million. Yeah, another song now I get it like that.
I remember even what song, that song there from Lee's Unlimited from
Yeah,
St.
man, that
Thomas.
is the same time always look. Yeah, man, that is the next boss we always come check up on a Thursday too. So when it's a Friday, we're good. We now have bulk shuffle for the Friday, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, Lee's Unlimited, man. That's the Lee's one. Yeah, man.
No, man, I remember enough of those. When you listen back, it's like, dude, get this song.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
man. A real sound where you have them rock string up. You can listen to them play, you know?
Even Tinder, now, even Frecky, you brought up his name. Cause remember, Frecky was rapper Frecky.
Yeah,
And then he started to play the song, what was the name of the song again, boss?
In a Virginia town?
No, he was playing the song when he came to Canada.
Okay, see.
Oh, him and Fong.
With Fong them.
Yes,
With Fong them. Yeah.
King Emperor?
King Emperor.
King Emperor.
For sure.
Listen, you see when it came to Wayne Wonde?
Yeah. Them loaded.
Man in Canada.
Yeah.
Playing Wayne Wonde like
Them
Frecky
loaded.
them time.
Them loaded, man. From them cut religiously, man.
Because, but it goes to show that you just kept links with your people there. Frecky was rapper Frecky, you guys were doing artist thing. And then he said, migrated to Canada. He said, okay, you're doing this. Load them up.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean?
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.